Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Annika, and for this video I have another unboxing. This time is the Boxycharm box for February, and also I will have another small kit. So here is my Boxycharm, and I will have another kit from Tarte. Is this one, and this one is called Make a Splash Hydrating Skin Savers. So let's go ahead and start with the small one. This one looks like this. And this was on sale on a website, on Tarte website, and I believe this one was $10. The kit is very small, and the sizes of the products also, those are sample sizes. And let's go ahead and see what's in here. As you can see, the packaging is very small. I like the paper that they use to wrap everything. And we have 3 products in here. The first one, it's that's very well known, Rainforest of the Sea, is the hydrating boosting mist, which looks like this. The second one is from the same line. It's Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel, even smaller than the other one. And the last one is this, which is Drink of Water Hydrating Boost, and looks like this. It's a very small one, and looks like this inside. I used before the mist. I like it. I think this is in my favorites list. This is the second one after the Visa. I like this. It's a good one. I didn't try the cleanser. If you did, let me know how this one works, or I'll let you know in the empties. So this one was from Tarte. It was on sale for $10. I'm not quite sure if this one is worth it, $10, but whatever, you let me know. What do you think? And for the Boxycharm for February, somehow it seems like I am getting my boxes late this month. I still didn't got my Ipsy, and I'm waiting for another couple boxes that are already on the YouTube. I'm waiting for the Walmart boxes, for the Ipsy, and a couple others. So this is the Boxycharm this month. Looks like this inside, and here is the card. It's this month theme. It's Galaxy Glow. Looks like this. And let's see what we have in the box. As you know, or if you don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box that comes monthly. I think it's my favorite one as makeup. And yeah, it's $21 per month. Usually it's a waiting list. At least it was when I subscribed for this box. And also, what's new with them, and that is a thing that many people doesn't like, is the fact that Boxycharm start to do different version of the box. This one is one of them. I think they have another 3 or 4 other boxes. And as I heard, not everybody likes that. Before, everybody was getting the same box, because people say the boxes are having different values. So I don't know, if you got something different than I got in here, let me know, or if you have a video, I would like to watch that. So let's see what I have in my box. The first item here is from Pure, and this is for the Complexion AUTHORITY-X-FAUX Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and this one has a price of $17. So $17 for a lip exfoliator. Looks like this. Let's see how is the size of this. So you get some product in here. It's still more. And also it has those sugar beads, and has a nice smell too. so I will use this one for sure. The next item in here, of course, are those 3 brushes, and those are from Crown. And they look like this, very pretty. Let's see how they look after we'll use them. And then those are are having a value of $29.99, so $30 3 brushes, not quite cheap. So we got here, I don't know for what are those. It says just a 3-piece trio brush. What I like about those, and I have one of them, I'm using one of them already, is this I don't know how you call that, but it helps a lot. And it has another one on this side. It helps a lot to hold the brush, so I like that part. As somebody said before, brushes are not are items that you switch all the time, so never too many. Then the next item is from Cover FX, this one, and this one is Shimmer Veil. I believe it's a lip gloss, and this one has a value of $28. It's a multi-use shimmer color. And it says here for the boldest of eye looks, so it might be an eyeshadow, not a lip product. And the color of this, the color is nice. It looks a metallic, I can say this is pink, it's more a lavender purple color, but it's really nice. And let's see how you can use this. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye look, and formulate with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So actually you can use it as eyeshadow or as a highlighter, but the color is nice. So this one has a value of $28. And then the next item in here is by OFRA, and this one is blush refill, and this one has a value of $12. And what's the color of this? The shade is Rose Gold, Winter Rose Glow. And here is the color of the blush. I'm not quite a fan of this color. And this one is $12. And then the next item in here is this pencil, and this one is Smoky Eye Pencil from by Jessica, what's her name? Dear Beskind. Apologize for that name if it's not the right one. And this one is Smoky Eye Pencil, and it has a value of $21. Let's see what this guy does for $21. It's black. It feels creamy enough. I don't like those scratchy pencils. And yeah, this one was $21. And the last item in my box is this OFRA palette. I'm not gonna open this, it's a Z palette. I am not gonna open this, but I'll show you. Let me show you the palette. Looks like this. And I believe the blush is supposed to go in this one. but if you watch my channel, you know I got exactly one of these in Ulta free bag. The last one I got from Ulta. I have this one, as I said, so I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna keep this one for a future giveaway. It's a great size to travel with. I was really happy when I got the other one. I'm gonna take this one with me in my when I'm gonna travel in this summer. So yeah, I think it's a good one. I like this one box. I think it has a great value. Just that zip palette alone, it's around, I don't know, let me see, they have the price. They say here pop-up palette mini, and this one has a $19 price. I'm surprising. I was expecting to be a little bit more not so cheap. I think it's cheap. I don't know, what do you think? But anyway, I like the zip palette. I think it's gonna be a great item in my one of my next giveaways. So far is that palette, is this brush that goes along with that palette, is this trio set with 3 crown brushes, is this eye pencil, the cover FX, this is the, wherever you can use it as a highlighter or as a eyeshadow color, and then is this lip exfoliator from Pure. So far, as I say, I'm happy with this one box. I'm gonna use for sure probably all of them, but not the zip palette because I'll leave that for a future giveaway. I'm not quite a fan of this color, but I'll try it and I'll see how it works for me. So yeah, that's all for this month in Boxycharm, at least in my box. If you have a different one, leave me the link down below and I'll watch your video. And also I had the Tarte kit with 3 products, 3 samples. Let me know if this one is worth it, $10. The full price, it's, I don't remember exactly how it was. In sale was $10. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. I'm gonna see you in a couple minutes for me with another unboxing. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a very short time. You have a great day. Bye bye.